Amazing people, welcome to Adwoa's amazing world. I trust you are having an amazing day. Last week, I was trying to finish some painting I started, and we saw some flies around the area the painting was drying. Just then, Mr. Giraffe told me of a natural repellent we could use to quickly get rid of these flies. Mr. Giraffe, what was that?
Cloves and lemon.
Yay! We learned that flies don't like cloves and lemon, so we combined both to make a powerful natural repellent. All we needed was lemon and cloves, yes. You can use as many lemons and cloves as you like, depending on your space. For us, we use 1 lemon and about 20 cloves. We cut open the lemon into 2, and then we stuck the cloves into them as shown. Then we placed the bowl at where we were working. The flies left because they didn't like the strong smell of the cloves, and I learned they don't like citrus. So you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to the page if you haven't done so already. And always remember that you are amazing.